Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from the Rocket mining. So the first thing, you're gonna click on Rocket. From there you're gonna swap gold to Rocket, enter the amount, and it's gonna display how much do you need gold to swap to Rocket. And then you're gonna go to the Telegram and find menu, and then from there you're gonna click on balance. Make sure you have 1 USDT and Rocket coins. Just make sure if you don't have USDT, just top up 1 USDT at least and you will be good to go. When you have USDT and Rocket, you're gonna click on payout, and from there you're gonna click on Rocket. Here it tells you how many rockets do you have and tells you to specify the number of tokens you want to withdraw. You're gonna send how much. So as you can see here, it needs a 1 USDT fee. You're gonna copy the address of your Tone wallet and paste it in the Telegram, and it's gonna withdraw automatically. So that is it.